Tonight, a new investigation uncovers Texas businesses hit with hundreds of thousands of dollars in fines from the federal government. The KVUE Defenders found out those fines are the result of workplace safety violations related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Investigative reporter Brad Stryker has more about the violations that happened in our area.
During the pandemic, a lot of people have been working from home, but not everyone has had that luxury. The KVUE Defenders investigated and found out some companies that have been still making people come into work have violated regulations set by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. And in some cases, OSHA fined businesses after employees died.
I think it's always concerning when workers are put at risk in terms of health and/or safety.
Christopher King is the director of the Ray Marshall Center for the Study of Human Resources at UT Austin. He's not surprised by the data we obtained from OSHA. We found across the country 484 businesses received OSHA violations related to COVID-19. That's more than $6 million. 24 of those businesses are here in Texas, with fines amounting to more than $200,000. We found 4 of those businesses were located in the greater Austin area.
I think they really need to step back and ask themselves the question, am I providing a safe and healthy environment for my workforce?
First, we look at West Oaks Nursing and Rehabilitation Center, a nursing home in South Austin. Last fall, the KVUE Defenders uncovered a lack of infectious disease controls at that facility, cited by the Texas Health and Human Services Commission. OSHA gave the facility an initial penalty of $11,567. Federal records show West Oaks received a fine because an employee was exposed to COVID-19. The employee later died from pneumonia caused by the COVID-19. Last fall, the KVUE Defenders uncovered Maurice Dotson, a certified nursing assistant at West Oaks, died after getting COVID. He was thought to be the first healthcare worker to die of the coronavirus in Austin.
He was just, like I said, a great individual where you would gravitate to him, and he wasn't shy. He was just very outgoing.
A spokesperson from West Oaks declined an interview but sent us this statement in response. Our top priority is the safety and well-being of our patients and staff. We're currently contesting the report you're referring to, and due to pending litigation, we're unable to provide answers to your questions at this time. That litigation involves a wrongful death lawsuit filed by Dotson's family in which West Oaks denies wrongdoing. Luling Nursing Operations is another nursing home with a similar violation. OSHA records show 2 employees were providing skilled nursing services to nursing home residents. They contracted the COVID-19. Employee 1 and employee 2 later died from complications from the virus. That facility also faced an initial penalty of $11,567. And another facility in Luling had COVID-related OSHA violations, this one at Luling Care Center. That facility also received an initial penalty of $11,567. Federal records show the facility violated recording criteria and didn't report the death of an employee within 8 hours. A spokesperson for the parent company of both Luling facilities sent us a statement, reading in part, the Luling facilities signed settlement agreements with OSHA regarding the incidents in question from mid-2020 in which no fault was admitted. And finally, OSHA hit Altman Specialty Plants, a wholesale nursery in Giddings, with an initial violation of $1,928. That facility also violated recording criteria, according to OSHA records. A spokesperson for the company sent us a statement, reading in part, early in the COVID pandemic, Altman Plants received an OSHA citation for what was determined to be administrative paperwork issues involving listing employees who contracted COVID-19 on our OSHA 300 log. We made these changes immediately as requested by OSHA. King said companies with OSHA violations related to COVID-19 should make changes or they could take a hit to their business.
I think you're seeing consumers who are much more intelligent and savvy about these issues. So, if they want to keep their consumer base happy, they'll make their workers safe and healthy as well.
We asked for an on-camera interview with each of the local companies that we featured in this report, but no one agreed to speak with us. You can view the full statement that we got from each company on our website. Just go to kvue.com/defenders and click on this story. In Austin, for the KVUE Defenders, I'm Brad Stryker.
If there's something you want the KVUE Defenders to look into, we want to hear from you. You can text your tips to the number on your screen.